Our last part of the week 5 assignment guide, the last little thing to do, we're going to format your material parts list. And so here's an example of how you might format it. You want to make it easy to see different ones that are on there, right? And so there's a few things to do. One, you can highlight the top bar, and you can give it a color, some sort of a dark color. And then when you highlight the top bar, you can also choose a color for the text. And potentially you can make it bold. Sometimes it stands out a little bit better. And then another thing a lot of people do is they get every other row and highlight that and give it a color. Now, which color you use, some people use grays, some people use blues. It depends on what you want to do. But you can pick something and then go to the custom color and maybe even pick up a little bit more gray to it if you'd like. And see how that makes it. It just makes it easier to see which lines are which. And if you want them all to be the same size, you can highlight the whole bit. I just held the shift key down and readjust the size. I just kind of make it move around and then put it back where it was. And now they're all the same size. Okay, if you like to have them all so that they're centered properly, this button right here. Now, if you're doing this in Excel, it's slightly different, but not very different. Another item that might be done is you might take those and put a box around it, but maybe make the color of the box, again, something very, very light. And then you can view this as, take the grid lines off. And now all of a sudden it looks more like a thing. So I might want to readjust that, the box color to be something more like that shows up as you go through. It's totally up to you how you want to do that. Okay. Some people like to leave it as a dark color. Sorry, let me put that on the whole thing here. Some people do just like to, oh, I did the wrong one. Let me do an undo on that. When I do that here, I need to come here and pick the color there as an example. So they've got it really easy to see. I'll leave that up to you on how you want that to look. And but I'd like you to do some formatting to this.